Hey YouTube, Master here, and today I'm going to show you how to get free MP3 ringtones for your iPhone. Just go to this site audico.net. You can create your own ringtones from your songs on your computer or find ringtones from them. If you want to find ringtones, just type the title of the song in here. You have some ringtones here, just click on one. You can listen before you downloading. If you like it, then click on download ringtone for iPhone. Open. And then you have it. Click on your device, take that, click on sync, and now you have it on your iPhone or iPod Touch or iPhone 3GS. Thanks for watching.